If you like to draw, you've probably noticed how your hands can smudge your media around the paper and ruin a drawing. Especially while drawing digitally, the friction caused by natural oils on our hands can get in the way of smooth, fluid lines. A drawing glove is a great tool to reduce both of those problems. It protects your paper and also makes digital drawing feel so much nicer. I hate the way it feels drawing on a tablet or a Cintiq or an iPad without a smudge guard. So I use a smudge guard every single day when I draw. This is the brand name one. It's called Smudge Guard. I think it's $15 for the smudge guard that only has a pinky finger and $18 for the one that has 2 fingers. I like the way the 2-finger glove feels better. I bought this about 4 years ago. It gets daily use and it's in great condition. It's stretchy, it's thin, it feels like nothing's there. You can throw them in the washer if they get nasty. If you don't have that kind of money lying around, here's what I do for making smudge guards in bulk for myself, because I like to have one in every room. It's the kind of thing that goes missing a lot. You just want to have like a bunch of them there. So I buy white cotton gloves. You can buy packs of 12 of these online for about $10. I cut off the tip of the thumb, the tip of the index finger, and the tip of the middle finger so that I can still touch my pencil the way that I normally do when I'm not wearing a glove, and it feels totally natural and normal to draw with. But the part of my hand that touches the screen is not skin on glass, which doesn't feel good. It's just this smooth glove that glides across the glass. So a couple of drawbacks of the cheap version: it's white, so it shows dirt. Because you're cutting across the seams, eventually these will start to fray. You'll notice that it gets looser and looser, and like they're just not as nicely made. They're very cheap and disposable. So eventually these will fall apart or get gross and you'll need to replace them. You can throw these in the wash too if you want, but it will speed up the fraying unless you hem this yourself, which I don't do. So now you know what a smudge guard is and why it's so awesome and how to make a cheaper version. Happy drawing, everybody!